Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to My Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy Mongolian beef, and you don't even need a special gadget. I'm just using my Nuwave electric skillet. We're going to start off with 2 pounds of beef bottom round steak. Now normally you would use flank steak, but I grabbed this because it's already sliced really thin for you. So all you have to do is cut it up. And so I'm going to cut up the steak into 1-inch strips. Once your steak has been cut up into strips, go ahead and transfer it to a freezer Ziploc bag. Next, we're going to work on the marinade. I am peeling some fresh ginger root, and I'm going to mince up about a 1-inch piece. And then I'm going to add that to my Ziploc bag, followed by some minced garlic. Now we're going to add in some soy sauce, followed by some sesame seed oil, and then we're going to add in a little rice vinegar, followed by some brown sugar, and then we are going to add in some red pepper flakes. Okay, so now we're just going to squish everything together to make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. We're going to push the air out of the bag, seal the bag, pop it in the fridge overnight preferably, but give it at least an hour. And now let's work on the sauce. So I'm slicing up some green onion, and we are going to mince up some more ginger and garlic. Okay, so next up, we've got some cornstarch, and to the cornstarch, we are going to add some soy sauce. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm using low sodium soy sauce. And then we're going to add in some beef broth, followed by some brown sugar. And then we're going to add in some crushed red pepper flakes, some hoisin sauce, and then we are going to add in the garlic and ginger, followed by some more rice vinegar. So I have preheated my skillet, excuse me, and now I'm adding in some stir fry oil and some sesame seed oil, and we are going to brown up this beef. Make sure when you're cooking your beef, you don't overcrowd your pan, because if you overcrowd it, the beef will steam and not brown up as quickly. So once the beef is brown, go ahead and add in your sauce, and we're going to cook that uncovered until the sauce has thickened. And once your sauce has thickened, go ahead and stir in some of your green onion. Remember to save a little bit for garnish later. And then that's it. That is your easy Mongolian beef. All you got to do is serve it up over some steamed white rice. This is delicious, you guys. So what did you think of this easy peasy recipe? Well, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, as it does help out my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know every time I upload a new video. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!